No more dancing. Nothing to do dancing. There's too many spoons in here. Hold on. Can you get in there? Smile. Like, ah!
Stop eating chocolate chips.
All right. Cookie, cookie, cookie dance, cookie dance, cookie dance, cookie. Do you love peanut butter cookies but not all the sugar? Then stay tuned because today we are making these 4-ingredient sugar-free peanut butter chocolate chip cookies and they are so good. We can't wait for you to join us. Hey everybody, Erin here with Healthy Mom, Happy Family, and the reason we are so excited today is because we are making peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. But these aren't any cookies, these are sugar-free peanut butter chocolate chip cookies, but they're so good you'll never miss the sugar. We're gonna show you how simple these are because they only take about 4 ingredients, they can be made in minutes, and you're gonna love them. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, who wants to make some cookies? All right, so the first thing we start with is we are going to use peanut butter. Now you can see here, what I do with the peanut butter before adding it to a recipe is I just melt it in the microwave in about 10-second intervals so it's soft. It's just easier to mix peanut butter that way. So we're gonna pour the peanut butter into the bowl and then we are gonna mix it. Instead of using sugar, this is allulose. Now, if you're not sure what allulose is, it's actually an extract from fruit and it looks and tastes just like sugar. It's about 70% sweet, but it has no impact on blood sugar. So you're not getting any carbohydrates, you're not getting any sugar from it, but it's going to give the same flavor in the recipe. So we are gonna mix together the allulose, we're gonna mix together a pinch of salt, and the peanut butter. Once that's mixed up, we're just gonna mix in 1 whisked egg, and that is our batter. Now the chocolate
also baking soda.
That's right, I almost forgot. Yes.
Baking soda!
Our favorite, we love baking soda. We're gonna put some baking soda in so they rise. And then chocolate chips are optional. If you wanna keep this sugar-free, you can use sugar-free dark chocolate chips, which we love, or you can use regular chocolate chips. It would just add a little bit of sugar and carbohydrate to your recipe. So totally up to you. So we're gonna dive in now and show you how easy this is to make. All right, so we are gonna start by taking the allulose. Joe, you want to pour this into the bowl? Pour it in.
No, ow!
Whoa! Emily, you're going to take Emily, you get the salt. You're going to pour the salt in. Wow, good job. And Jimmy, you're going to pour the baking soda in, which was that one. Thank you. Okay. All right, now we're going to take our spoon, mix it up. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to do the peanut butter. All right, you guys keep stirring while I pour the peanut butter in. Pour it in.
Wow, let me try.
Now, as we're making this, just preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And once you have your batter, you're gonna put it onto a greased baking sheet. Line it with parchment paper because that's gonna really help the bottom to crisp us. Okay, so now we have the peanut butter batter here. We are going to add, I'm just gonna show you what this looks like so you can see. We're gonna pour the egg in, and then Joey, once the egg's in, why don't you keep mixing that for me? All right, you keep mixing. Oh, that looks good. All right. Like I said, the chocolate chips are optional. You can make this with or without. Now, these are flourless. All right, so now all we're gonna do is add the chocolate chips, pop these in the oven, and we are gonna get ready to taste our peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. Okay, here we go. Wow. All right. Pour those in. Yum. Whoa, look at all those chocolate chips. All right, we have the baking sheet here. Now you're just gonna take 1 scoop at a time, 1 tablespoon at a time, and put them in little balls. You're gonna put them on the baking sheet.
Get low.
They're gonna bake in the oven for 17 minutes. So you're gonna wanna rotate them halfway through, and when they come out, the most important step is you let them cool completely before you take them off, because otherwise they'll be crumbly. So it's really important to let them cool completely before you serve them. All right, so we are gonna put these on the cookie tray. We're gonna put them in the oven, and then we'll be back to show you what they look like soon. All right, guys, look what I have. Oh, these look so good. Cookies. All right, these have 2 grams of net carbs in them. These are our peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. You can see we put a lot of chocolate in them. You can make them lighter and more peanut buttery with less chocolate chips. They are so good. What do we think? What do we give them? Thumbs up? Yeah? All right. So the full recipe will be linked below. You can check this out. You can enjoy these. And like I said, there's no added sugar. They're delicious. And make sure if you like today's recipe, if you want more healthy recipes that your whole family can enjoy, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss new tips, tricks, and recipes. And what do we say? Bye. Thank you.